Good afternoon to all our leaders and friends here present today. Let me stand on the already established protocols. I am elated to take part in this August occasion, taking place in August, in my capacity as the President and Chairman of Council of the Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, CIBN. It is gratifying and it is my joy that I'm able to witness yet another remarkable feat of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers of Nigeria, CIS, and to celebrate the investiture of an icon worthy of reference in the person of Alhaji Olatunde Mohammed Amolegbe FCS, the newly minted President and Chairman of Council of CIS, who has been a very good personal and a friend and professional colleague of almost 3 decades. I would like to express my profound pleasure and enormous delight on your investiture as the 11th President and Chairman of Council of CIS. It is indeed a praiseworthy recognition of your dedication, hard work, excellent service, and accomplishment to our great institute, Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria. What a joyful coincidence. Without an iota of doubt in my mind on that seat in the past few years.
Okay.
There may be challenges along the way, but with the help of God and support of, while wishing you a very successful tenure, be rest assured that you have my back as one of you, myself being a stockbroker, a registrar, and a banker. I want at this juncture to commend the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, CIS, for providing training for professionals in stockbroking, securities and investment, fund and portfolio management, asset management, investment management, and other related fields. I also commend CIS achievement in building capacity and competency for stakeholders in the capital market. It is my belief and prayer that together with all stakeholders in the Nigerian financial landscape, CIS will work harder still to improve investors' confidence in our market, especially during this pandemic and your tenure. Collaborations. CIBN has just reviewed its curriculum to be consistent with international best practice and will be contacting the CIS shortly to strengthen our relationship and to look into opportunity for more areas of collaboration, especially on the issue of granting exemptions to both professionals on either side. Invitation. Finally, we wish to invite the stockbroking community to the 13th Annual Banking and Finance Conference to be held both physically and virtually between September 15th and 16th, 2020 at the Hilton Hotel, Abuja. I encourage everyone to continue to keep safe amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. It is when you stay safe that you'll be able to invite and encourage others to come and invest in the capital market. Once again, on behalf of the Governing Council of the Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, CIBN, and the entire banking community, I want to say a hearty congratulations to my brother and friend, Alhaji Mohammed Olatunde Amolegbe, FCS, and to the immediate past president, my Egbon, Prince Adedapo Adekoje, FCS. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Of course, you are still on the council as the immediate past president. I want to say God bless you all and enjoy the rest of the event. Bayo Olubemi, FCIB, FCMR, ACX, 21st President and Chairman of Council, the Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, CIBN. Thank you very much.